Happy Friday, everyone. Today I thought I'd talk around a potential knockdown and rebuild, or even looking at options to potentially dual OC, which would mean potentially leaving your existing home there and then cutting off a little piece of the property to potentially build something else or even on-sell that block of land. Currently, cost of living is the top of everyone's minds, and especially the interest rate rises we've had recently. I am speaking to a lot of clients that are under a bit of financial stress, and there are options potentially available for some of them. In relation to capitalising on the property that you have today, it is important to know what you can and can't do, and the council sets those guidelines. So it's important to reach out to a trusted advisor in relation to a town planner. That would be my first starting point. You'd have a conversation with them and say, this is my property, this is where it's at in relation to easements, restrictions, or even covenants around the area, and they'll let you know whether your property may be lucky enough to potentially dual lock. It would be an amazing opportunity to potentially do that and then on-sell either that block of land or even building and on-selling it to use those funds to potentially reduce your owner-occupied debt. It's all around being able to afford and keep that property. And in particular, it might even be an option to potentially sell both of them, get the monies out of those, and then potentially downsize your mortgage, and even potentially spending a little bit more on a property in a similar area. So these are one option in relation to what you can do with your current property. So make sure you reach out to your advisor who can give you those guidance. Have a great weekend.